I've got two bags in my hand. Let's compare them. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be doing a quick comparison between the regular Pochette Accessoire in Monogram and the new MURAKAMI Pochette Accessoire in Noir. So let's get into it. Diving right into today's video, this is the two pochettes that we're going to be comparing. And I actually misspoke on my unboxing video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up in the cards right here. But a lovely subscriber did mention that this pochette accessoire from the new collection is actually a little bit smaller than the traditional one. I hadn't realized that because I was just so excited when I got it. But now that I was able to digest it, take a full look at the pochette, it actually is a little bit smaller. You're going to be able to see that a little bit of a difference there. But then it got me thinking, what other things are different from this pochette? And let me tell you, there are a lot. Starting off with the chain, both chains are substantial in weight. However, if I did have to pick one that is heavier, the gold one definitely does take the cake. And you will notice that the chain is significantly smaller. The gold one is longer by about 3 inches, which is very interesting. I actually looked at the leather strap that it comes with. As I mentioned in my unboxing video, I don't use these at all, but I was curious. And the leather strap is even longer too, by about the same. So overall, you get a longer drop length with the Pochette Accessoire in Monogram than you do with the new MURAKAMI one. And the price difference, at least in Canadian dollars, is about $600 or so. So you're getting less bag for more money. Shrinkflation. However, there is notable improvements from the Pochette Accessoire from the new collection versus the old one, such as the interior lining. I absolutely love this suede material. It is super soft compared to the traditional Monogram. It has this textile lining. For the new Pochette Accessoire, you actually don't get a zippered compartment. You just get a flat pocket versus the traditional Monogram Pochette Accessoire. You get a flat pocket as well as a zipper pocket. And then you get another flat pocket on the other side with 2 card slots. So you definitely get a lot more organizational components with the traditional Pochette Accessoire than you do with the MURAKAMI one. All of the hardware seems to be the same. They are all embossed with Louis Vuitton on them. They are using the same zipper pulls, just in different metals, obviously. So everything else in that respect looks the same. I did notice the hot stamp towards the lip here is actually written a lot smaller. So everything mostly about this bag is a lot smaller than the Pochette Accessoires, which is quite interesting considering this bag is significantly cheaper. Other than that, they do use 3 pieces of canvases, one in the front, one in the back, and then one to wrap around the bag. So those are structurally the same. The way that they structure the whole mechanism for the bag is the same. I'll go ahead and put the straps on so you can see what it looks like. And just by looking at the bag, you can instantly tell this one is a lot smaller. The drop of the strap, like I mentioned for the leather one, is a lot smaller. Even the chain straps are a lot smaller. And now that I'm looking at the pochettes literally right in front of me side by side, I can tell significantly that this one is smaller. You'll notice that the monogramming placements are a lot different. This one has 6 monograms on each side, whereas the MURAKAMI one only has 3. So I guess that could have been a dead giveaway that this one is smaller. But it's kind of disappointing because if I were to wear this one could be on my shoulder versus this one I think is just way too small to be a shoulder bag. I don't know why they made this length super short. That is very interesting considering how much more expensive this was. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.